How to create an API key on MEXC. Let's go ahead and start the video. First of all, open MEXC on your device, click on the profile icon on the top left hand side and head over to API management. Once you click on API management, wait for a while and you will see all of these boxes. Just go ahead and click on all of it because you will be needing all of these functions. So go ahead and do this and write down a note which is required. The next step is to click on this box over here and tap on create. You can just go ahead and tap on get code over here. You will be getting a 6-digit code on your email. So just go ahead and go to your email and copy the code. So once you copy the code, you can just go ahead and go back. Once you go back, paste the code over here and then go to the Google Authenticator app. If you have not connected it, make sure you connect your Google Authenticator app with MEXC. Go ahead and paste the code. After you do this, wait for a while. And once you do this, you can see that the API key will be created. Just go ahead and copy the key and you can just go ahead and link it as well. So there you go guys, this is how easy it is to create an API key on MEXC. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more.